Hey guys, Nakul here. I hope you all are doing good. You are watching How About Tech, and today we will talk about iOS customizations. I will tell you about a very easy and free way with which you can get Friends theme and other themes on your iPhone. So let's begin the video. To enable these customizations, we will need the app called Live Wallpapers. Let me turn on the screen recording on my device and guide you through the process. First of all, go to the App Store and search for the application Live Wallpaper. There are many other applications also, and I have tested them too, but I found this to be the best for various customizations. We will have to download this application with the multicolor icon as you can see on the screen. It is around 200 MB. I have already downloaded the application. Let me just open it. As you can see on the left hand side, this is the whole menu and various customizations which you can apply on your phone. It has various home screen packs, icon galleries, live themes, still themes, keyboards, etc. There are tons of customization and most of them are for free. Of course, this app has in-app purchases, and if you want more from the application and if you like the application, you can pay for it as well. But in my opinion, there are tons of customizations which you can apply for free. As an example, first let's check the home screen packs, and in that the first one here is the Friends theme pack like this, or there are other ones as well. If you don't like that, then there is this light themed pack. It is based on the famous frame from the show, or there is this one also, but it is marked with a star. That means it is a paid version and you have to pay to get this theme. And there are other free as well you can select. To show you with an example, let's set up our home screen with this Friends theme. Simply click on this arrow to download. There are different aspects of this pack such as wallpaper, widgets and app icons. You have to save all these to your phone to enable this theme pack. Firstly, simply click on the wallpaper. It will be saved on the gallery of your iPhone, and do the same with the widgets. They will also be saved. And to change these icons, what you have to do is you have to individually change all the icons, and these are not direct icons, these are substituted there, and they work with the help of the shortcuts application of your iPhone. I will show you that in a minute. Let's take this example, clock. To change it, simply click on the change, then change icon, and it will open a web page on the Safari. Then click on the share button, and as it says, click on add to home screen, then add, and done. Now when you go on the home screen, we got this icon. You can do this for all these icons. Surely there are limited icons and only the stock icons are available, but they are sufficient to cover up a full home page screen. You can do this for all the icons one by one, and let me show you. Let's remove this Live Wallpaper icon from here. Now we have saved the photo in here. Simply go and use it as wallpaper. Select both for home screen as well as the lock screen. We got the wallpaper, we got two icons, and now we want widgets. So tap on the screen, go into the jiggle mode, then click on the plus icon, and the widget will come under the name Live Wallpapers. Click on it, then scroll, and you can see we have this Friends themed widget here. Click on add widget and place it wherever you like. Then again, if you want another widget, repeat the process, and let's add this smaller widget. You can add it too, and done. and this is how you can get Friends theme. You can do for all the icons for yourself, and when you click on any icon, it doesn't immediately open the application. First it goes to the shortcut screen, so there is added 1 second time in between opening the apps and clicking the icon, but it is surely worth it to give your screen a very unique look. You can also mix and match various aspects to give a unique look to your home screen. Say you like the icon pack but you don't like the wallpaper or the widgets, then you can simply download the icon pack from this theme and select wallpaper separately from different pack. As you can see, there are many wallpapers also. You can select tons of live wallpapers. There is also a huge category which you can go and select any wallpaper which you like. Also, this app updates almost daily with new wallpapers and new customizable options, so you can check this app regularly for new and fresh wallpapers and other aspects. There is also a separate icon gallery. From here you can only download the icon. There are tons of icon packages which you can download. You can also download half of the icons from this pack and half of the icons from other app and give it a completely different look. There are also live themes from here which you can select. There are many options. The live theme will work on the lock screen and the still wallpaper will work on the home screen. Similarly, there are also dynamic wallpapers. There is tons of category. You can choose and select whichever you like the best. Also, there are many options for keyboard to match the theme which you select with your home screen. Say if you select a lighter theme, you can go for this keyboard. It shows you the preview, and if you like it, you can save it and edit. Let me show you what will happen. If you click on this, then it gives you the option. It tells you how you can add this keyboard. Open settings, then in general go to keyboards and then add the keyboard. There are many options to suit the theme which you select for your iPhone, and on. This is a very good application. It gives you so many options which you can try and give a very unique and refreshing look to your iPhone. It also allows you to make your own live wallpapers with the help of the maker. It will guide you through the process, and there are widgets also. Tons of widgets option. If you want, you can just include these widgets. Also, there is this option of ASMR, and what it does is it reacts to the way you touch the screen. It plays a sound and gives you a satisfying feedback. For example, if you move your thumb over the screen, it gives you a pattern. It reacts to the way you touch it. And there are also many options you can select if you want this too for your home screen or lock screen, and it surely looks very different. That's it for this video. I hope you have liked today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do let me know in the comments, are you a fan of Friends, or if you like today's video. Also, subscribe to my channel for more tech videos and follow me on my social media handles for latest tech updates and notifications. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.